Hey crafters, it's Janet with Crafting It Up in Creations, coming at you today with some collective hauls. I'm going to do Michael's Tuesday morning and AC Moore and share with you some of the goodies that I bought over the weekend. Went to Roanoke, spent some time with my niece, had to get away just for a little while, and I hit a couple stores while I was over there. I even went to Joann's, but that haul's going to be way too big for me to share with you. On this one. So the first thing I picked up was this Ashland twine. It was in their fall section. It's 120 feet of twine for $4. I believe that it was on sale for the weekend, and so I picked some of that up. I thought this brown color would be really pretty to do with some fall crafts, so I did get that one because it's a little bit darker than regular twine. And then I picked up these Tim Holtz Ideology quote chips. I've gotten the Christmas ones before. On the back it tells you like all the different sayings that are on there, and I thought these would be really good on an upcoming DIY that I'm going to do, that I'm going to share with you guys. And I love, they're nice and thick, so they'll make a good presence on a project. And then they had their stickers on sale. I think you had to buy three get one free, something like that. I've picked up these Recollections butterflies before. I think they are so pretty. I could probably make these myself, but they're 6 pieces, and you know, by the time you get a discount, it's frustration free. I've used these on my mason jar tissue holders. I'll link that up above in case you're interested in seeing those. They are really cute. And then these other fabric flowers by Recollections are 6 pieces in there. I've gotten these before as well. And sometimes I buy flowers like this just to get ideas to how to make my own. And then the Jolie's Boutique stickers was really what I went in looking for. I didn't want 4 packages of these, so I ended up getting 2. But it's got that really cool, these are Halloween based of course, it's got that really cool house down there at the bottom, and it's got that really cute covered porch on it and everything. It's got a couple tombstones and that spooky tree and the ghosts, the moon, and the little owl that's in the tree actually has like a real feather attached to him. So I thought these were really cute. I have an idea for these. I'll link down the video below that has inspired what I want to do with these, because I want to make like a little shadow box type thing with these. But I'll link that down below for my inspiration. It was a blog hop or a YouTube hop last year for Halloween, and the gal Carol Herlock does such beautiful projects. That I'll link it down below. I may do a process video for mine just to show how I put mine together, because theirs was just like a project share video. If you're interested in seeing that, I love doing Halloween decorations like that, and hers came out so cute. I don't know that mine will come out quite that nice, but we'll see. And that little moon, that sticker that's up there, looks so cute. I mean, like, there's so much detail on these stickers, it's unreal. And they all have pop dots on the back except for the house. So they've had some houses in the past. I was hoping that they might bring those back this year, but I didn't see them. And originally the reason I went into Michael's was to get these dies, because Scrap Diva 29 showed these on her channel the other day, and I was like, oh my gosh, I got to have those. And I probably have some variation of like the pumpkin ones, but these all nest together, so you could make shaker cards with these. And this is 3 pieces. It's so cute. It's got the outer and the inner layer that's like the solid piece, and then that top layer has all the detail in it, and they would just make great little shaker cards. So I can't wait to try to use these. But this little bat is so cute. I couldn't resist. These were not on sale. I was lucky to get the bat. It was the very last one that they had there. They may have just had a sale on these, but I did use competitor coupons. And then this super cute one with the coffin, I just love it. This is, it says this is 3 pieces because it includes the little spider at the bottom, but it's just the outer part of the coffin and the inner part. But this would make really cute shaker cards as well. So I can't wait to use these. I've got these ideas in my head of using some black glitter paper with these, and I think they'll come out really cute. So if you're able to get those at your Michael's, I highly encourage you to do so. I think even $10 is a great deal, but Joann's had 60% off coupon, and then Michael's had a 40, and I think I had a 50 from Joann's too. So I was able to use those plus a 20% off total purchase that Joann's had. This is a pumpkin. It's so cute. It has 4 pieces in it. And then this set has a stamp set with it along with the spider web and the spider. And I mostly really love this witch silhouette. I think she'll look really cute on a project. I can't wait to use her. But it's got, all kinds of good spooktacular, trick or treat, happy Halloween. A lot of cute little stamps in that one as well. And then the last one I got, well, the die has kind of fell down in the package. Let me see if I can pull it out for you real quick. This one has a really cute die in it. This was the last one I saw of this one as well, but it's got the coffin, the skeleton, the little frog skeleton, the creepy hand. I thought these were really cute, but I mostly got this one for the die, I admit it. It's so pretty. It's pretty. It's really cute and spooky. But it has like the bat, that spooky tree, and then it looks like a graveyard. And there's little hands down in there even. So this would be really fun to paper piece as well. So I can't wait to try that one out. So stay tuned for that. But I think they really did a good job with some of these dies. And like I say, at the Michael's in Roanoke, they didn't have a whole lot to choose from. I got the last of the bat, the last of the coffin, and then they had a couple pumpkins, and that was it. So I was at first wasn't going to buy all of them because they weren't on sale, but I decided if I waited that I would probably not get them. So yeah, I was a sucker. So that's it for my Michael's haul. I'm going to also show you some of the things that I got at Tuesday morning as well. No, I haven't found some of the things at my Tuesday morning that I've seen a few others haul. And I've actually picked up these little dress it up pom-poms before, but I went ahead and picked up some more. I think these make fun embellishments to add to, like your little keychains and everything. And they have that little hanger already on them, and I just think they're cute. So I picked up a couple packages of those. And then I also picked up this Spellbinder's Delight. It says you've got game, and it looks like a little computer screen, and then a controller that kind of can hang down off of it. And they're just a really nice little set. It was $4.99. I've been seeing a lot of these handmade flowers at my Tuesday morning. This one only had a few to choose from, but I really love these colors, so I did pick up a couple packages of these. The little stamens in them. They have a lot of really good detail, but I was kind of showing you the little stamens up close, but they did a really good job on those. And then the last thing I picked up was this embossing folder. I absolutely love this. It looks like a bunch of little postage stamps kind of all put into one little area or section. And it's just your standard size embossing folder, and it was $1.49. So I was kind of looking for a particular one that they had, but I didn't see it. Oh, and I lied, I have one more thing. This is a mink silkscreen, and you actually use the mink ink to go over it with the little scraping tool. And then once that dries, you can put the foil actually on it and run it through a laminator. And then whatever color foil you've chosen will go on there. And I feel like even if you don't want to use the foil, she has some other inks that you can use for those silk screens, even if you wanted to use just different colors. So I want to try that out. It's just got a little bit of an adhesive back. And I've got a little cheap laminator that I bought from Walmart at one time, and I think I'm gonna have fun trying this. I think I picked up some of that mink ink That's a mouthful at Hobby Lobby when it was on clearance at one time. So it was a really great deal. And then lastly, I have a little AC Moore haul. I picked up this Simply Fall ribbon. I used a coupon for it. It's just a white and black checked ribbon. And this cute little picnic table that's unfinished. It was $1. So I couldn't resist. I thought maybe I could add this in with some of the things that I give to Madison for Christmas for her dollhouse. And I figure I'll paint it or finish it or add some stain. And then they have these really cute little cupcake stands. They're really tiny, but I really love that scallop edge that goes all the way around it. And I ended up getting 2 of those, and they were $1 a piece. They have a lot of really nice unfinished wood pieces in their section at AC Moore. So thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I hope you get a moment to craft it up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I hope to see you all again soon, and stay tuned for Saturday's ornament that'll be coming up. I've been working on that as well. So thanks so much for stopping by. Hope you get a moment to craft it up, and take care.